Hey, what's up guys? This is Hamid from Focal Help After Effects tutorial. Welcome to my brand new After Effects tutorial. Today we are creating this exciting tutorial. So let's see what we will create today. First we create a new composition. Go to composition and rename it beauty text and width 1920, 1080 and frame rate 60. Duration make it 5 seconds and then OK. Now create a new solid layer, new solid, and rename it background and make it black, then OK. Now go to the effects and preset window and search for gradient ramp. Now select the color and apply on background. Now I am changing color. I am going with bright colors. You can select which you want. So I am select bright green color and OK. Type your text. I am type beauty. Align center. Select center paragraph and now go to the timeline and select this arrow key. Now go to animate and select position. Now change the position, set it to 30 and now select the range sector and add a start keyframe. Now go to the 2 second and change value, set it 100. Select these keyframes and right click keyframe assistant, ease, and now go to the graph and right click edit speed graph. Select this point and drag it. Now go back and check it. Now close it and add motion blur. You can select from modes, open motion blur options, check it. Now select this layer and press P for position. Add position keyframe at 2 seconds. Now go to the first point and change position value, set it 1370 and check it. Select these keyframes and right click keyframe assistant, ease. Now go to the graph and change the graph values like this. Now go back and check it. Now add a rectangle shape, fill with white color and stroke none, then OK, and draw a rectangle shape like this and check it. Now select this button and change track matte alpha matte Amazing. Now select this layer and change the position and select this arrow key and go to animate and select tracking. Now go to 1 second and 57 frames, add tracking and go to 2.5 seconds and change tracking amount to set it to 5. Select these keyframes and keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now go to graph and change the graph values like this. Now go back and close it, check it. Now close it, select these two layers and pre-compose. Rename text1, move all attributes and then OK. Now go to the effects and preset window and select gradient ramp and apply on text1 layer and then change the color which you want. I am going with light blue color and I am selecting dark blue color. Now change these points position like this. Move it closer if you want. Select text1 layer and for duplicate Ctrl D, rename it text1 shadow. Now go to the effects and preset window and select fast blur. Set it value 150 or which you want. Press T for opacity and change opacity values 50% and close it and go to the first point and our animation is complete. Check it.